What's up, y'all? It's your girl Enice, and we are back with another enrichment project. Today we are going to make a plastic bottle flower. So first thing you're gonna need is your bottle. Then you're gonna need some marbles. Don't let your brother play with them, because he will choke on them, because they like to put them in their mouth. Then you're gonna need 4 different colors of paint. We got green, that means go. We got red, that means stop. We got orange, who cares? We got blue, don't feel under the weather. Then we got some water to clean your paintbrushes. Then make sure you got 3 brushes. 1, 2, 3, boom. Then you need some pot and soil, wow. Then you're gonna need some straws. Let's get started. Then you're gonna need some scissors, because then you gotta cut your bottle. Let's get into it. First thing first is you have your bottle, bow. Take some scissors and you just cut your bottle in half. Now you have 2 different sides. You're gonna flip the top of the bottle over and you are going to cut it into 4 different sides, so then you have your petals for the flower. Then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna flip them outwards so then they spread out like a flower. Now we have our flower petals. Next thing you're gonna do is you're going to take your pot and soil and you're going to put it in your little pot. Now you're gonna take your pot and soil and you're gonna put it into basically your little pot that you just made. Let's get into it. Get your hands dirty. Oops, we made a mess. It's okay. We can clean that up later. Then you wanna just pack it in there. Make sure it's all even. And once you feel like you put enough, then we can move on to the next part. Make sure that's all in there. Now that we got that all cleaned up, let's decorate our petals. Boom. So we're gonna do red and blue. And you wanna make sure you don't get lumps in the paint, because that's not good. You wanna make sure you got the nice strokes and it's nicely painted. Now that's all done. Here's our finished product. Looks nice, right? Now we're gonna move on to basically building our stem. Boom, straw. You can do colors or you can get plain white. McDonald's, Burger King, get a dollar drink, there you go. But I think I'm gonna go with the pink ones because it's my favorite color. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna unscrew the top to your petals, because you're going to stretch that out. You're going to put it through the middle. You're going to fold it like that, and you're going to put the top back on it. Now we're going to move on to our next step. Next step is we have our soil. We're going to take marbles and we're just going to put them bad boys right on the top. Let's get into it. Make sure it's all up in there evenly. Then you're going to put your flower in your flower pot. You're going to move the marbles into the middle, which is going to hold up your flower, just like that. Boom, you have a flower.